Hello traders, this is Day Trader Matt with businesswithtrading.com doing an E-mini trading recap for the 12th of June, Thursday. And today was another interesting day in the markets. A little gap down here, and price kind of chopped around, went lower, and then found a low around here and kind of chopped around a little bit more. Today we made 5 trades and pulled 8 points out of the market. So pretty much canceled what we did yesterday. And that's another important topic. I can talk about that. We lost what we made yesterday. And today we were able to come back and make that up. And all of that is because of having a proper trading mindset. It's a subject that's not talked about very much, and when it is talked about, it's kind of pushed under the rug, or people have different weird ideas of what trading mindset should be. I haven't really heard very many people talk about it, how the proper way to have the trading mindset to be able to come into trading and basically go to work. And it's just like a NBA basketball player. And I grew up in the 80s, so 80s and 90s. So one of my sport heroes was Michael Jordan. And you may like him, you may not like him. Maybe you're younger, you hadn't heard of him. You can Google him, but most people have. Anyway, he played for the Chicago Bulls, but and I don't remember what year it was, but one of the series, the championship series, he was really, really sick with the flu. And his team carried him on and off the bus, carried him into the locker room. He played and scored, I don't know how many points he scored, 40 plus points. They would carry him to the bench at halftime. They'd carry him out of the locker room. He would play. They'd carry him back on the bus. That's what I mean. He had the proper mindset. And being an NBA basketball player, being a professional futures trader, I liken as one and the same, because you have to have the same skills, basically, the same skill set. You have to have the proper mindset to do things. Are you playing to win, or are you playing to not to lose, or are you playing to lose? Obviously it wouldn't be conscious, but because of what is in your mind on an unconscious level, maybe you are, maybe you aren't, I don't know. But there are many things that create that negativity, and it really does separate, and to use the basketball theme, it really separates a top 5 player from a top 300 player, or the worst player in the league from the 50th worst player in the league. It's really that mindset. Or someone who gets MVP consistently to someone who falls short of it. Maybe someone who places in the top 10 every year, but they never can actually get the MVP. It's all mindset based. And some people are better at, adapting to it. Some people are not. But it is a learned skill. Anything can be learned. I don't care what people tell you. Most of what we have, most of the skills that empower us, that make us better, we're not born with them. We learn them. And anything can be learned. That's why I have my coaching services. I've worked with, thousands of people, and it's been totally awesome. But it is a skill that you can learn. It's a mindset skill. And I'm not saying I'm the best at it. I never claim to be the best. I always feel there's someone out there better than me. but I'm not competing with other people. As a trader, you're basically competing with yourself. I don't care what people say. You're not competing with institutional investors. You're not competing with, you know, the Fed chairman or, whoever. I don't care what they say. You have a style that you trade, and you're competing with yourself. That's how it is. That's how it's always been. That's how it always will be. But anyway, not to make this video too long, you can always leave comments below. Thanks for watching. Have a great rest of your day, and I'll see you back here in the markets. Thank you.